a speedy manner or whatever it might be. However efficient, that's the definition of a genius, is how rapidly can you absorb information. So if you can absorb information super fast, you know, did I spell it wrong? Anyways, fuck you guys. That gets to the point that I'm not very efficient. I'm not very smart. So this is the trait that I lack. I am creative and I'm hardworking. I'm not efficient, right? The fourth one, big risk taker, which I also am. And a huge thing that, again, so, you know, we can just go race by race, right?